Hi there, I'm Lift on Travel, and today we're going to be solving the riddle of why you're getting no audio from your DJI mic. So why did I buy the DJI mic? So it was a tough choice between Rode and DJI. I love the easy use case that both charges and pairs the moment you open the box. How cool is that? We wanted to use it so we could be more interactive in our reviews of planes and hotels without having to shout at the camera. It arrived the day before travelling on Qatar's restarted route from Birmingham Airport. Exciting. Unfortunately, after taking out the box and trying it out, the excitement changed to disappointment. An unsupported device message and no audio. Disappointed, I searched the internet far and wide for a solution. After not finding anything useful, I searched the internet, and here's what I discovered. Filming can be overwhelming. If you haven't touched this tiny button, then the device won't record and you won't get any audio. Simple, I know. This is the biggest mistake the manufacturer made. On top of the transmitter are these small golden circles, which allow you to attach an iPhone lightning port or USB-C connector. Very handy. You would think the obvious thing to do would be to push this in as far as possible as per the manufacturer's instructions. When you do this, what happens is the gold circles on each item won't line up, and you'll see an unsupported device message appear on the screen. To resolve this, before you even push in the adapter, check to see how the circles match up, and then when plugging it in, make sure that the back of the connector is slightly sticking out of the transmitter. The result, audio is expected. Brilliant. So to conclude, the first one's kind of obvious, the second one I had to work out myself. Give it a go, what is a brilliant microphone, and hopefully you'll have no issues.